Hi, our next topic is arranging using guides. Guides help in arranging and aligning text and objects on the artboard. When creating a poster or a brochure, you will most likely align objects in an organized manner. Guides make this task easy. To use guide, you must take first the rulers visible on the document. To view the rulers, choose the View on the Menu tab, then click Show Rulers, or by simply Ctrl R. To create a guide, do the following. With the Selection tool, click and drag the ruler on the edge of the page on the artboard. Using the Selection tool, click and drag. A blue marquee will appear when your guide will go. Move the marquee to the position you want to let go to the mouse button. After you have created your guides, you can't move them because they are locked. You can lock the guide by using guide lock guides. After you have created your guides, you can move them because they have lock. To unlock a guide, click View on the Menu tab, Guides, then uncheck the lock guides so that you can move them. But when it was locked, you don't necessarily move. Remember to lock guides again after you have unlocked them, or you might accidentally select or move them. That's it. Thank you for watching the video tutorial.